In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 applications that can help you make a lot of money, and you can withdraw it using PayPal, and we're going to talk about that right after this. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are most welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber or you're a returner subscriber, you are most welcome. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So let's get direct to the video. So the first application is this one right here you are looking at, which is a book scouter. Okay, so in this application here, you are going to sell the used books that you already used. Okay, used books. If you have books that you are no longer using, you just come to this website and then sell the book, just like this one here. You can see here, you can sell or buy. So if you have, you just put here and then sell, just like that, and make some money. And the good thing with this thing is, with this application, you can download in iOS, and you can download in Android. As simple as that. You just download and then make your money. You can see here, people sell book at these prices here, so you can make money. As simple as that. So anybody can just do it, and you just make money at the comfort of your home. So the next application here is Higher Shine. Yeah, Higher Shine is a application where you can do a lot of work here. So let's say this one here. See here, you can be a PowerPoint creator. You can do this proofreading jobs, online typing jobs, or voice recognition job. So most popular ones are like these ones here: online typing jobs, or voice recognition, offline typing, and even survey. You can do this. You see here, language translator. You can do all this at the comfort of your home, and then you just make cash. You can just download this app. It's an application you can download. Those who do not have laptop, you can just use you can just go to your app store and download this and make money at the comfort of your house. Okay, so let's get to the third application. The third application here is the Misplay. Misplay is for any age. As long as you have the smartphone, you just go on Google Play Store and download this app here and make money. Just play games and then you make your money. And you just have to earn some points through playing the game. You earn points, which is said here to be units. You earn units, and then you convert them into cash. You convert them into these gift cards, and then you can use it to purchase things online, or you can just withdraw through PayPal. As simple as that. So please, if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, or you have been following the channel and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. So let's get to the other application, which is the fourth one. That is clickworker.com. Is an application, but here, because I'm using a website on my PC, so I use the website. So on this clickworker.com, as you can read here, Clickworker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text as easy as that. So you just find, when you sign up, you just find jobs like this, and then just correct on on the mistakes that are of an article or anything that is given there, so you make money through that. And also, not only correcting and creating whatever they said here, you can also participate in surveys or research. That is how you make cash, you see. So this thing is good because you can download in your iPhone, or you can download in your Android, like that. So it's so good, and you can use it anywhere. You don't need to be carrying your PC to be making money. You can use your phone, because not most of us are having PC, so you can use your phone to make cash here. Yeah, so the last one here, the last application here is this one here, YouGov. YouGov is a research, survey website, and it has an application. You just download in your phone and then sign up and carry out some survey, as simple as that, and then make your cash just at the comfort of your house, just like that. Okay, so I've come to the end of the video. Like I said earlier, if you're new and you haven't subscribed, if you're a returner and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So we'll meet next time. Bye for now.